The wide rear tire, bobtail rear fender, long rake, straight handlebars, and a 21-inch front wheel, the Breakout marries classic chopper style with the performance of a Milwaukee-Eight 117 custom powertrain. With a wide rear tire, classic chopper rake, and bold paint and graphics, the Breakout looks better than ever. With long and lean chopper styling, the Breakout model flexes more muscle than any other bike on the street. The torque-laden performance of a Milwaukee-Eight 117 custom engine is delivered to a fat 240mm rear tire exposed by the arrogant flip of a bobtail fender. The Breakout rider will turn heads and leave a lasting impression wherever they go. New Street Glide Ultra model with advanced touring comfort and power. 3 limited production CVO models with high-performance Milwaukee-Eight engines. Harley Davidson further advances the performance, technology, and style of its cruiser. Grand American Touring and Custom Vehicle Operation motorcycle models powered by the Milwaukee-Eight V-Twin powertrain for 2025. For the coming season, Harley Davidson offers riders the market's broadest range of large displacement motorcycle models. New power and technology. The Harley-Davidson Cruiser Motorcycle Collection is infused with new technology, elevated performance, and refreshed styling. The Cruiser lineup remains the most diverse in the Harley-Davidson motorcycle portfolio. Each of 6 very distinctive motorcycles represents a specific stylistic personality, from nostalgic to high performance to boldly custom. The Harley-Davidson Softail chassis with hidden monoshock rear suspension underpins each Cruiser motorcycle. 3 new Milwaukee-Eight 117 powertrains, the 2025 Cruiser models, will be powered by one of 3 new Milwaukee-Eight 117 powertrain variants, with new cylinder heads, throttle body, and intake manifold. Each is tuned through difference in intake and exhaust scheme and ride mode programming to offer performance that matches the personality of a specific cruiser model and the anticipated expectations of that model's customer. New 4-valve cylinder heads feature the combustion chamber shape, oval intake ports, and low-profile intake valve seats, as introduced on 2023 or 24 Milwaukee-Eight 117-121st engines for Grand American Touring and CVO models. These heads are designed to improve performance and fuel economy. New engine oil is routed from a frame-mounted oil cooler through cylinder head cooling passages. This cylinder head cooling system further optimizes thermal comfort for the rider, especially in low-speed riding situations and hot weather. Details of 3 engines. Milwaukee-Eight 117 Classic is tuned with a flat torque curve to deliver satisfying street performance and emphasize ease in rideability. The single muffler and classic round air cleaner produce the distinctive Harley-Davidson sound quality. This engine delivers 120 pound-feet peak torque and 98 horsepower, 4% more power, and 1 foot-pound more torque than the 2024 Milwaukee-Eight 114 engine it replaces for a performance boost. A 2-into-1 exhaust enhances engine tuning by promoting efficient scavenging of exhaust from the engine cylinders. Milwaukee-Eight 117 Custom is tuned to deliver 104 horsepower and 126 pound-feet peak torque, 6% more power and 5% more torque than the Milwaukee-Eight 117 Classic engine for a performance boost. This engine will provide a significant power increase, 11% more horsepower, and 6% more torque over the 2024 Fat Boy 114 model. This engine is equipped with a 2-into-2 exhaust with individual catalysts. The touring-style intake airbox volume is 4 liters, approximately 50% greater than 2024 ventilator and heavy breather intakes, which improves power by providing more room for the in-molded velocity stack radius and greater volume of clean air. Intake noise is significantly reduced, which allows a more desirable rumbling exhaust tone to predominate. Suspension. Front and rear suspension is retuned for optimal performance and to provide improvement in both rider comfort and control. New straight rate front and rear springs replace progressive rate springs and contribute to improved balance between the front fork and rear monoshock, reduced harshness and pitch, with more linear dive response from the front fork under heavy braking. The suspension components, rear coil over monoshock and front fork, are visually unchanged. Seat height and suspension travel of all models is unchanged from 2024 specs. A remote preload adjustment knob on right side cover is no longer a feature on 2025 Fat Boy and Breakout models. Both models have underseat hydraulic preload adjustment in 2025. Speedometers and LED. New instrument displays for all cruiser models are designed to be exceptionally readable for the rider and to present more information as required by new technical features. An analog speedometer display is above a multifunction LCD digital display. The rider can use the trip hand control button to scroll through available information in the LCD display. The Lowrider ST, Lowrider South, Breakout, and Street Bob models are equipped with a 4-inch diameter instrument. The Heritage Classic and Fat Boy models are equipped with a 5-inch diameter console-mounted instrument. New all-LED lighting, including headlamp, tail and brake lights and signals, enhance conspicuity. New LED taillights are now equipped with a distinct homogeneous element. New heated gear connectors have been relocated on all models from behind a side panel to the top of the rear fender below the seat, where they are much easier to access. All models have 2 connectors.